Scaffolding, meaning pronunciation, scaffolding, meaning scaffolding refers to a temporary structure used to support workers and materials during the construction or repair of a building. It can also refer to a framework or system used to support learning or development in education. Simple meaning: scaffolding equals 1 temporary structure for construction, 2 support system for learning or development. Common uses: 1. Scaffolding, noun, construction. A temporary structure made of metal or wood, used to support workers and materials at heights during construction or repair work. Example: the workers use scaffolding to reach the top of the building. 2. Scaffolding, noun, education. A method of teaching where support is gradually removed as the learner gains independence. Example: the teacher provided scaffolding to help students understand the difficult concept. 3. Scaffolding, noun, figurative. Any system or structure that helps support progress in an activity or development. Example: the scaffolding of their business model helped them grow quickly. Examples: daily use sentences. 1. The scaffolding around the building is being taken down now that the work is complete. 2. The teacher used scaffolding techniques to guide the students through the project. 3. The construction crew built scaffolding to access the top floors of the building. 4. Scaffolding is essential for workers to stay safe while repairing tall buildings. 5. The course provided scaffolding for students, allowing them to develop their skills gradually. Real-life explanation: in construction, scaffolding is a temporary setup that helps workers access high areas safely. In education, scaffolding refers to the support and guidance given to students to help them learn new concepts, which is gradually reduced as they become more capable.